Welcome everybody. Welcome to GIS TV. I'm Ricky Dubs.
And I'm Lyle Dar.
And we got some breaking news coming in from the GIS Forum. It looks like the registration is now open. So this is exciting news, Lyle. It looks like they're going to have student rates, they're going to have industry rates, they're going to have early bird rates.
Cacao.
And also too, they're going to have single day rates. It's all there. It's all there on the website. So what do you think of that, Lyle?
I think it's great. And they're also going to have free breakfast and lunch, cookies.
That's exactly right. So you don't want to miss that. Also too, check their website. If you're looking for justification to go, it's all there. Just have your boss go and take a look. I think you're going to be just fine. Any last minute words?
Yeah, if your boss doesn't agree, just send him on over to Lyle Dar and I'll set him straight.
Well, we appreciate that. I hope they don't have to do that. But anyway, with that, we will conclude. Again, for GIS TV, I'm Ricky Dubs.
And I'm Lyle Dar.
And remember, keep Texas elevated.
Elevated.
Gale of Force Winds here with another GIS TV update. This one coming about the Texas GIS Forum in October. Registration is now open for sponsors on our website. Do I not have any legs? Who told me to wear green pants again? Brr!